Welcome to Balabas Gist. The people that the operation Udogachi is carrying in Anambra is innocent. They say the truth don't finally come outside though. Both the young boy where they buy, both the man where they carry for inside motor, those people you are seeing there are innocent. This one now don't become what they call abomination against the people. Where the governor of Anambra people, Anambra state now, they commit for your own people where in the room. You know, see, these governors always have their own interests. How you go bring somebody where come outside saying go buy the whole Igbos and their boys come they work for you for inside Igbo land? Could you imagine? Now let us watch these videos before we go come back. Come continue. Stay tuned.
Oh, that guy ain't on a hills. I didn't come back here. I wouldn't know what you pray for there. Oh, but I go. I want to kidnapper. I want a criminal. Yes, I'm here. You know, I have 4 months here. Therefore, I welcome them home. I go back to Congo. I want to joke. See, we are no good. I want to joke. I want to know. Yeah, I have a sit down and yes.
Yes, so he's innocent.
Yes,
he's a good man.
all pastors here. Yes. Good when I celebrate my local government. Yes. Oh, Monia. Oh, Gomoro Namotia. Boya. Oh, very good man. Very good man. Send that one. I get them on. Oh, why did I want to Alan.
Then they've sent this family into early morning.
No onye ejidere na sị ha ndị onye ahụ ovato ndị uwe ojii na ndị SARS ka famezie nyocha na nzacha gbasatara onye ahụ. Onwekwa ebe nnụlụ o kwuru na onwe onye ejidere sị gbara ya towa ozigbo ma ọ bụzikwa ndị atọ lụrụ honorable na egbuhofe ozigbo ahụ na ndị aka nọ n'aka ndị uwe ojii ka esi wee jidezi ndị agbala ozufa wee tọwa na main road. Ọ bụrụkwazị dị na unu jidere mmadụ ma ọ na unu fụrụ mmadụ ebe fa ji tọrọ mmadụ ma ọ na-agba egbe na-akwakọrịtazi mgbọ agbawuo ndị ahụ ụdị isi ka okwu ma ha bụkwa unu ka unu gaa aka ma nụkwa ka o si wee mee.
Biko anyị nọ Isuofia ebe be ife ka o si sọ anyị nọ be this afternoon. Unu n'anya unu afụ people in sorrowful mood. Unu na-afụ ndị mmadụ na the mom bụ this woman nọ n'iru. The father died 4 years ago. Grave dị na Iwebe ahụ. Now the elder brother. Nah, biko ka efi nweke igwe anyị maka your brother.
We just wake up now yesterday and my brother happened like that since Tuesday.
Okay.
He just started work. Even on 100 and lot road.
Okay.
So eventually, what was I going to
Wow.
Even though area commander we have to understand now since 4 o'clock yesterday.
Wow.
That is ever no. Feeling down with
Your brother Jibidol wow.
Almost I'm gonna feel like last 2 years or last year I'm gonna free. And I don't go to the now bomb was all.
Okay.
I'm gonna go like 5 years with the all.
Ask for no coach the all.
Yeah, all coach with the building and I do the all.
Okay.
So but you would the all with the engineer.
Okay.
engineer we structure do no only book all.
Okay.
So yeah, structure do no. Eventually, yeah, meet is your guy.
Okay.
Now my brother will order neck glory.
Okay.
I negotiate your order. Now guy 10 there your say I was your
what is going on in Anambra State? They have put this family into a sorrowful mood. Yeah, we find them by yeah, the many Sofia. So all is so painful. So Kemaka on where case you say cover the
and the area command sends the Monday police station on dog can have here.
Okay.
Can we book after years away? That will get the song because since yesterday I can't watch Hanilo.
So I can only load you now.
Even up to I am very close yourself. Oh, from area command carried not however.
Okay. So Nazanya on our phone. On our phenomenon Anambra State. It's a pity. It's a pity. Yeah, we saw Kaino. Yeah, we saw here. Now this is the house of the poor boy. Now Bamboko is low. It's just a pity. On the widow. She has tried her best to make sure that now also the can when I call up is dear. Debate. Oh yeah, them man. Look at you can see people in a sorrowful mood. Yeah, we find them in Anambra State. I may pray. It's a pity. I beg you to go up one neighbor. And I'm going to do badanya. Then they've sent this family into early morning. For the younger ones, how can the family? Your father died 4 years ago.
Yeah, the three body. Those mother not Hamaburu Nabai. Yesterday, that innocent three guys have work for where they walk. The same people, Babuha, because this was Madnata now, this is Yoku now. How on the buying? Oh, Mazi, Garo no worries Galabai. Before you know on your Sofia, nke blue. The pictures from the Sunday before. Umazinata on the Sofia Beror by Hana Row, stainless and 18 na sit out. And the wrought iron, or have gas, and the generator, they've done a motor dab. Now the side here of village, Ebenda is where game operational. Nakome Road. However, what door there by Umazia, one how door. However, boom as an ataho, uno forever now. Now, in this Sofia Bogonde Beha, yesterday I were all DIG, we send their picture Maza when I confirm on this Sofia. These people, whereas they are banning early morning last night again, we bros have got to na father buying because Ozua is all go up to go now. Up to go open now. They are whereas they are dump one, I force one and dump one our market. Na here buying also. Now banning cheap for today. Ziko ọkụ maazị Ben Kababa wiziri ọkụ maazị na-ejere anyị ọrụ saịtị Kabagburu ọkụ maazị na-arụrụ anyị ọrụ saịtị Kabagbu gasịrị ofu onye uwe onye Isuọfịa ofu onye uwe onye Enugu steeti then onye nke mere ebe onye nke taa onye POP nọ na that site ọkụ maazị na-ejere anyị ọrụ na maazị na-ejere m ọrụ na saịtị ọkụ maazị mmachasị ike na-ejere m ọrụ na saịtị Kabagbu isiri a na-akụ aka onye omebeghị n'ụkwụ ya onye orubere asụ na onwe ya ebe onye orubere n'ụkwụ ya ibe a niile na-abịa na ama ebu na-eruo na mbara m ọkwa ndị ọrụ Kabagbu isiri kama nsogbu adụ Soludo ha ndụrụ n'ibe ọfụma ebe disk sekuriti ya ọ ha ndụrụ ya ọfụma Imo steeti ya aka anyị mma ibe a na-eme n'Imo steeti ya aka anyị mma maka ọsọ ibe na Anambra steeti omebie Imo steeti ka ya akakwa anyị mma n'ibe a na-eme na nsogbu adụ ha n'ụwa ka ibe na-eburu nwanne Soludo atụ n'isi ya nwanne ya nwoke ofu nwanne ya nwoke atọ n'isi ya gaasị ebutere agọn gaasị ebutere eji agba stainless ọ ya wụ ogbunigwe niile ahụ eburu ebufutesịrị that argon gas with generator eji apawa ya eji agba stainless handle ọ ya wụ that ogbunigwe ahụ gasị Chineke
Till this time, we still have some Igbos that don't reason well and don't think properly. You will see somebody, because you hear that TikTok is paying, Facebook is paying, and YouTube is paying. So any video you see, you start analyzing nonsense in that video. So you people, we forget who are the criminals in our land. We forget about them. All of you are celebrating the security. Yes, it's going to end insecurity. But let me tell you, let me shock you. Most of these people, those security you are seeing in Anambra don't capture, are innocent. So why are these Southeast governors not putting this energy in stopping Fulani herdsmen in our bushes? Why? Why are they not even talking to that? They are not making comment about that side. They are running in our village, buying our young youth. And now you are busy supporting them. You have seen it. The people they are buying, they are carrying are innocent people. I want you to rethink. The people who want to buy you cannot give you security. I bet more share this video. And not forget to see there for Balabas this. As they watch, let's see they share.